Hey, it's Danielle McCulley here, and I wanted to make a quick video regarding the VPS because I know some of you are having issues or may not fully understand what a VPS is and how do you go about installing one and things like that. So to me, it's pretty simple. You can connect to your VPS through your remote desktop connection. I'm already logged into mine, so I'll just click on that. I purchased this from oneandone.com. So once you find a VPS provider, you purchase the VPS, there's really nothing you need to set up because it's just another computer. That's the best way I can explain it. It's like a computer within your own personal computer. You can leave this running 24/7. I can shut I'm on my laptop. I can shut my laptop off and the VPS will continue to run. And whatever programs that I download to the VPS, they will stay on 24/7 unless I log out of those programs. You do have, it's just another computer. It's the same. You have your Windows startup menu here if you use Windows. Now, if you use Mac, I don't know anything about that operating system because I don't use Mac. So that would be another topic that I know nothing about, but I'm pretty sure it's probably the same. So we'll just go back to the desktop. And once you purchase it, it comes ready to go. So that's why I don't know why people are making this a little harder than it needs to be. The VPS is already set, it's ready to go. They'll give you a username and a password to log into it. So most of the time the username is going to be administrator, and then you're going to have this little funky password that you have to enter. And then once you are in, I've already downloaded the Google Chrome. I'm in my downloads folder. Like I said, it's just like your regular computer. And then you want to upload your MT4 platform. So I'm just going to upload Trader's Way. And it's the same thing. So you just go through the installation process. And that's the MLQ. We don't need that. And there you have it, Trader's Way. Okay, so I also use LQD. So I'm going to download that one as well. And we'll delete. So, and then you would just log in with your account number and your password and you're good to go. And once you're logged in, then of course you would need to upload the client EA for the trade copier in order for you to connect to it. But that's pretty much it. It's that simple. I'm going to close it. Let's see, LQD. Push finish. And you see the LQD right here. We'll get rid of that. We don't need that. All right, so I got LQD. I got Trader's Way. These are some other ones that I use. AAFX, haven't really used that. I do have an account with them. IG, and that's the LQD MT4 platform opening up. Again, enter your account number, your password. Make sure you check the right server, live or demo, and you should be good to go. And that's how simple it is. So I don't understand what kind of issues you guys are running into, but that's it. And so let me get this. Yeah, that's how you would use your VPS. And I'm not going to log in, but I just wanted to, I like to come down here and pin these to the taskbar. Oops. That way it's always there. I can close out and it'll stay there. You don't have to do this, but I just like to do it to have, you know, easy access to it. Then I'll pin this one to the taskbar. That's it. So I emailed you guys some options for the VPS. They're really cheap. You can find them for under $10 a month. I was told that Amazon does do a free one for the first 12 months, so you may want to look into that. But that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you. Yeah. So if you still have questions about it, just let me know. And then I can choose to exit out, but it's still open. And then you just log out your VPS, and it'll tell you programs on the remote computer will continue to run after you have disconnected. You can reconnect later by logging on again. So even though I close this out, these programs, if they were open, they will continue to run. And that's why a VPS is highly recommended for doing things like a trade copier. Because if your computer sleeps or hibernates and a trade is sent out, I don't think it will copy that trade over. All right. Now, some people don't mind leaving their computer on 24/7, but I don't want to do that, so I would prefer to use a VPS. So it's totally up to you. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me a message on Facebook or Telegram, or you can just shoot me an email. And if you need help setting a VPS up, or, well, there's nothing to set up, like I said, but if you need help getting your MT4 platform onto your VPS, I do have TeamViewer and probably could help you do that if that's what needs to happen. But hopefully you guys are getting connected so that we can get ready to catch some pips this week. All right. So I will see you guys in the next video.